Hello, this is my kitchen. I love my kitchen. So we make a ice cream. No, donut. No ice cream. No donut. No ice cream. Oh, we need some cone and scoop some donuts and ice cream. We need some. I hate this part. No, but I can put my in. And this is my new friend, my ghost. Weep! And I am a ghost. So I must scoop it. And scoop some donut. And some box in it. And give away. For the channel, I love this. And so I'm here again. Ta-da! How do you think so? So good? Okay, so see you later. Thanks for watching my kitchen.